Hey there, this is Tech2, your one-stop shop to get your dose of tech. If it's smart, high-tech and intended to make life better, Tech2 has it covered for you. We are here to take you through some amazing smart tech products and share all their details to help you make a smart choice. And today we are here with another awesome product, the Oppo A5S smartphone. So let's check it out. First look. The vibrant display features a striking 6.2-inch Gorilla Glass screen that enables you to view more and get an immersive viewing experience. Weighs just about 170 grams, the phone is a delight to carry around and can easily fit in any space with its 0.8 cm slim design. The fingerprint scanner and touchscreen make it super easy to navigate through the phone. Oppo A5S features 4 classic colors to choose from: red, black, gold and green. Specifications. The 6.2-inch HD plus IPS multi-capacitive touchscreen phone comes with a high resolution of 1520 x 720 pixels and measures 15.6 x 0.8 x 7.5 centimeters. It is equipped with a powerful Android V8.1 Oreo based on Color OS 5.1 operating system with 2.4 GHz MediaTek MT6765 octa-core processor. Comes with 3 GB RAM, 32 GB storage expandable up to 256 GB, dual nano SIM card and 4230 mAh lithium polymer batteries for a smooth all-day long performance. Camera. The Oppo A5S sports a dual rear camera setup with a 13 megapixel primary sensor featuring an f2.2 lens and a 2 megapixel secondary sensor along with an 8 megapixel selfie camera with an f2.0 lens. The 13 megapixel main camera gives you clear and bright images with a macro lens, and depth camera lets you dive deeper and create stunning portraits. The 8 megapixel front AI beautification camera automatically identifies age and gender to create customized and natural selfies with more refined and beautiful skin, so you are ready to share it on your social media. Performance. The smartphone has 3 high-quality cameras: 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel dual rear cameras with unique AI-enabled features like AI beautification, bokeh, HDR, dazzle color mode and the 8 megapixel front camera for your awesome Instagram-ready selfies. With a pre-installed powerful CPU, you can multitask, play games or run any heavy task hassle-free. The amazing built-in smart bar option makes sure that you can easily multitask, like switch between apps or take screenshots while playing a game. Now the reasons to buy. As you've seen, the Oppo smartphone is such a great phone with awesome features, powerful processor, beautiful display and a great battery. It has every feature that we all look in a phone, and to top it all, you get all this at such an awesome price. So guys, make sure you take a look at this phone, as it will surely fit into your daily needs and make you want to flaunt your new phone. So guys, that's it for now, and see you soon with some more amazing tech products.